Today I picked up this group of locks from a rubbish store. In fact, the guy gave them to me. I didn't have to pay for them anyway. They're all rather rusty, although I have sprayed some lubricant inside them to see if I can loosen them up. Of course, there are no keys. This is a guard lock, and there's also a small guard lock here. Now, the keyway on this one is quite loose, so I have a feeling that I might be able to pick it. The keyway on this one seems to be quite loose, although the shackle might well be rusted in place. Meanwhile, this little thing here, what's it called? Anti, is completely rusted, as you can see, and I don't think there's any way I'm going to be able to open this. It's just rusted together. Anyway, I'm going to put some more penetrating oil on them and leave them overnight, and then I'm going to have a go at opening these. You can watch it a little later in the video. Well, it's not an easy pick. I went onto the website of this lock company, Guard, and I discovered that all of their 5-pin locks have 5 spools. So it's taken me about half an hour to get, I don't want to open the whole thing round, just in case I lose some of the pins or something silly. But okay, at least this one is open. 5 spools, 5 pins. It took a while, and now down to the other ones. Okay, so here's a little lock which I've just opened. Unfortunately, I wasn't videoing it, but as you can see from this angle, there are 5 pins inside, exactly the same as the larger model, and there are also 5 spools. So it took a while, and unfortunately the pick dropped out as I opened it. So I'll just do it again and post a picture of the core being turned. Anyway, it's quite a hard pick. Very nice lock. Yes, it is brass because it's non-magnetic. Guard. Yeah, a nice, interesting little lock. Okay, so here we are with the open on that small lock. Even in the small lock, I know that there are 5 spools, so it's a bit of a nuisance, but there it is anyway. So let's just close that back up again. There it is. And done. So there it is. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's not very good. There it is. Guard, 5 pins. You can just see the pins, you can just see the plugs there. Hard little lock, very, very nice. I enjoyed that.